Today, I'll be making a mango and avocado smoothie. It's one of my favorite smoothies. I hardly go by a week without making this smoothie. It's really filling. The avocado provides all the good fats you need, so you get a really rich and smooth texture in this smoothie. And it's, oh my God, it's so yummy. I really love it. Avocado is a nutrient-dense fruit and it offers numerous health benefits. It's great for heart health. It helps to improve cholesterol levels and to reduce the risk of heart disease because it's rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. It's great for weight management and people like me who always wants to lose more weight. It's high in fiber and healthy fats, so it helps you feel full for longer periods of time, thereby reducing your appetite. And then it makes it easier for you to manage your weight. It's also great for the skin, it's good for digestive health, it's good for the eyes. It helps to regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. So it's actually also beneficial for people with diabetes. And also, it's great for nutrient absorption. Vitamins A, D, E, and K, those are all fat-soluble vitamins. And so, avocado, because of the healthy fats that it contains, it helps to improve absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Overall, it's a delicious and versatile fruit, and it definitely provides a wide range of health benefits. So I'll definitely encourage you to try as much as possible to incorporate it into your diet on a daily basis. And even if you don't like to eat it, just dump it in a smoothie and drink it away. Okay, as for mango is another delicious and nutrient-rich fruit, and it offers a lot of health benefits just like avocado, and it pairs very well with avocado.
Yummy.
Yummy.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give